The State Rural Employment Society Community and Rural Development Department, in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, organized a program on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav with the Meri Mera Desh campaign at Nongthamai Lom Thangding on Wednesday. On the same day, there was a statewide launch of Meri Mera Desh campaign, the culminating event of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and the Samagra Awaz. Chief guest and CNRD Minister A.T. Mondal shared Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for India, which is for the country to be one of the economically vibrant nations in the world. It may be mentioned that the mitti or soil from the different villages of India will be collected at block level and finally taken to the national capital along with volunteers of each block who will assemble at Kartavya Park. Vatika would be planted in the capital and the Prime Minister would administer the Panch Pran pledge to the volunteers.
They have fought for this country. And today we have the freedom because of their sacrifices for the country. And after the freedom also, the country to be kept protected. And by whom? The people who is guarding the country in the most hostile frontiers.